Hi all, welcome to this video on testing of the SMAC stack or the social, mobile, analytics and cloud stack. Today in this video we'll be going through the testing of social media apps, so just the social aspects of the. So what is this whole buzz about social media apps? Now, today social media apps are the quickest way to connect and interact with the masses and intended demographic. And all major business houses recognize this and are working on the social aspect of the SMAC stack to engage and work through with their customer base. While browsing social media apps, you'll find every major business working towards engaging their end users. For instance, one of the banks in India, ICICI Bank, now accepts payment transfer through Facebook and Twitter. All the user need to do is register their Facebook or Twitter account with the bank. Now, as a result of this focus, we see a high opportunity of development, maintenance and testing of social media apps, and also apps that these business houses would have and which would in turn interact with these mainstream social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, etc. As a part of this video, I would like to focus on testing of social media application. Now, the key advantage we have while testing a social media app is that each one of us have immense amount of experience as the end user of social apps. So if you have been in the field of testing, you would know having end user perspective is key to effective testing. To understand what we should focus on testing a social media app, all we need to do is put. So what are our expectations from social app as an end user? I have listed down over here what I think it should do. So it should have an ability to connect and interact with people, communities and groups of the user interest. Then it should provide an ability to share the experience in different formats, whether it's text, voice, photo, video, maybe anything else. Then app should be intuitive enough. It should not require the user to read a manual. It should be able to just log on to the app and play around and do the right functionalities. The app behavior should be consistent across different platforms. So whether I'm using mobile or my laptop, Windows laptop, or an Apple MacBook or a tablet, and which browser I use within these devices, it should not matter. The application should still give me a consistent behavior and consistent set of functionalities. Very importantly, all my data should be secure. There were incidents like wherein LinkedIn passwords were leaked, right, and hackers got access into LinkedIn. There was similar issue on cloud wherein Apple cloud was not that secure and people got into the personal space. This is a very soft place for a user, and we all would like to be secure and protected, and our information, personal information, to be very seal tight. Then the application, the social application, should provide me the information that I find useful based on my interest, based on my geography or my demography. Right? So if I am searching for a restaurant, it will give me a list of restaurants and the review about those restaurants closer in proximity to my geography. If I am more of a political buff, when I search it, and maybe based on my locality or even my citizenship, it gives me feeds about the political happenings in that country where I'm staying or of the country of my origin. Right? So it would give me more useful information, something which is more contextual to me. Finally, for me, and but not the last, right? So this is again a very important piece, that application should be responsive and it should be always available. It should not be slow at all. I won't like an application which will do remaining everything, but now what I try to do is put all these expectations that I had into set of areas which we should test to ensure all these end user expectations are met. So first and foremost, functionality of the app. The core functionality should be there to facilitate engagement, communication and sharing between the users and different communities present on that app. Usability. So the app should be intuitive, it should be user friendly, and there should be ease of use around it. Localization and personalization, so that application presents a local flavor and content based on geography and user behavior and maybe user preferences. How does the app behave when there is a load, whether it is in terms of the data that is being fed into the system, or whether it is load through the volume of users that are present and using the system in parallel, right? So it should be able to handle high volumes of such users and data. The performance of the app, it should, irrespective of these number of users, it should still have high speed, it should still be responsive enough at peak load. Next aspect is what we talked about, security. So the user data should be secured from hackers and fraudsters. So application should be secure enough to prevent any attacks and leakage of data. And then finally, on the platform independence, wherein the application behavior is consistent across different devices, browsers and OS. So these are the areas based on what I think are the end user expectation from a social media app. Do write in your comments on what you think your expectations are there. Thank you for watching this video. Do share your comments. Do like the video if you really liked it, and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and the handle for that channel is Experience Sharer. So if you search with Experience Sharer on YouTube, you'll find my channel. I'll keep on posting more content on SMAC testing. Thank you for now. Bye.